Which is ninth question. Find the value of, in that first question we are doing 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 5 minus 4. Okay, we have to find the value of this one. So again 3 I'm writing as such, plus bracket minus 4. So inside the bracket only one single term is there, minus 4. So I'm taking the plus sign inside the bracket and removing the bracket. Plus into minus becomes plus and minus becomes minus. Okay, 4. Now so this bracket is removed. Yes. Now this plus I'm writing here. Now this minus 5 I'm writing it again. Okay, minus of minus 4. Inside this bracket only one single term is there, which is minus 4. So I'm taking the minus sign which is outside the bracket inside the bracket and removing this bracket of minus 4. So it becomes minus of minus 4. Yeah, minus minus becomes plus. So 4 as such. Easy. Again 3 minus 4 I'm writing it again. Yeah, plus minus 5. So I'm taking this plus inside the bracket. Yeah, inside the bracket of minus 5 and removing the bracket of minus 5. So plus minus becomes minus. Plus minus is minus. So this 5 as such. Now plus 4. So all the brackets are removed. So first of all, wherever you see bracket, you have to solve what comes inside the bracket. Okay, and make it a single term. Here already single terms are only there inside the bracket. Then only you can take the sign inside the bracket. That would be more easier. So now you removed all the bracket. Now you can simply solve 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 4. There are no two signs coming together. Yeah, okay, as here there are coming like, it's coming like plus minus together, plus minus minus minus, the signs are coming together. That all we removed now by opening the bracket. Now there are no signs coming together. You see 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 4, single signs are coming. Now you can easily solve. 3 minus 4 is what? Take these two terms and then these two terms. Okay, 3, because in maths two terms only we are doing. Okay, 3 minus 4, one is a positive, one is a negative, so you will subtract 4 minus 3. The answer is 1, and bigger number is 4, its sign is minus, so minus 1. Okay, so these two terms you solved and wrote minus 1. It's not over. Now these two terms you have to solve and find the answer here. So minus 5 plus 4, positive and negative. So you have to subtract. What is 5 minus 4? 1. Bigger number is 5. Its sign is minus. Always the sign of a digit comes on the left hand side. So here the sign of 5 is minus. Here the sign of 4 is plus. Yeah, because plus is in the left hand side of the digit. Here the sign of 4 is minus. Here the sign of 3 is nothing. Nothing means plus. Okay. So now these two terms you reduced into minus 1. These two terms you reduced into minus 1. No signs coming here in between. Okay, so here also no sign is written in between. So it's like minus 1 minus 1. Both are negative integers. So when both are negative integers, you will add. Yeah, so 1 plus 1, answer is 2, and then put the common sign minus. We studied in the beginning there are two rules. Yeah, for addition of integers. When two negative integers come, you will add those integers, you will add those numbers. Yeah, then put the common sign. So here the common sign is minus. So when both are negative integers, you will add them. 1 plus 1 is 2 and put the common sign. Here the common sign is negative. If it was plus 1 plus 1, you will add and put the common sign as plus. But here, since both are negative, you are putting the common sign as negative. So the answer is minus 2. Let's do the 10th question. Okay, simplify. In that, the first question. Bracket 23 minus 9, close the bracket, plus bracket plus 12 minus 6, close the bracket. So here bigger brackets are there, smaller brackets are there as well. First simplify what comes inside the bigger brackets. So here inside the bigger bracket these terms are coming. Yeah, and here inside the bigger brackets these terms are coming. So first remove the bigger bracket. Get what comes inside the bigger bracket, you have to solve that. Then the bigger bracket is removed. Okay, so solve this whole bracket you're taking first. Okay, then you will do, then after solving this you will do this portion. So taking this portion, what comes inside the bigger bracket? 23 minus of minus 9. Yeah, how will you solve this? Minus of minus 9. So in this small bracket is having only one integer. Yeah, minus 9. So you're taking this minus sign inside this. So it will be 23 minus minus plus 9. Yeah, inside the bigger bracket, right? Yeah, rest you're writing here. Okay, Again, this bigger bracket you can solve. How? 12 minus of minus 6. So inside the small bracket there is only one term, minus 6. So you're taking this minus inside the smaller bracket. So it will be 12 minus minus will be plus 6. Close the bigger bracket. Now you see, inside the bigger bracket it's 23 plus 9. Inside this bigger bracket it is 12 plus 6. So solve this 23 plus 9 separately, then this term separately. So 23 plus 9. So what is inside the bigger bracket here? Make it, reduce it into a single value. 23 plus 9 is what? Both are positive integers. Okay, so you will add 23 plus 9 is 32. So 32 inside the bigger bracket, reduced into a single term. So bracket is removed now. Now this plus you are writing here. Again 12 plus 6. Symbol. What is 12 plus 6? 18. Okay, both are positive integers. We will simply add. Normal addition. Okay, common sign is plus. So this bigger bracket is removed. Now smaller brackets are removed, bigger brackets are also removed. Now normal addition. 32 plus 18 is what? 32 plus 18. 50. So our answer is 50 because both are positive integers. Yeah, simply add and put the common sign. So our answer is plus 50. You understood this? What comes inside the bigger bracket should be solved. Before that we have a smaller bracket. Yeah, so inside the smaller bracket there is only one single term. So this minus you're taking inside, so it becomes minus minus plus 9. Okay, bigger bracket remains as such. Then solve this bigger bracket, reduce it. Okay, you get 32. Similarly here also you do the same thing. Take this minus inside the smaller bracket. Okay, it becomes plus 6. Then solve what comes inside the bigger bracket. Then together these both answers from these brackets you're adding it. Yeah, because the middle sign is plus. So the answer is plus 50. Do the 9th question from exercise 1.1. From that the second question, that is minus 6 plus minus 9 plus minus 41 as a homework. The 10th question, simplify. Do the second question from the 10th question, that is minus 15 plus minus 63 minus minus 45 plus minus 16 as homework. Comment down the answer below. See you in the next video. Bye.